Let's be real, nobody enjoys cleaning, but the right vacuum can make the job faster, easier, and dare I say, almost satisfying. Whether after raw power, smart features, or something budget-friendly, this lineup of cordless vacuums has something for everyone. Let's dive in, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until number 1, Levoit LVAC-200. Starting things off is the Levoit LVAC-200, a vacuum that proves you don't have to spend a fortune for solid cleaning. Priced at just $200, it's a dream for anyone on a budget. Don't let the price fool you though. It comes with a 5-stage filtration system capturing 99.99% of dust and allergens, something allergy sufferers would find useful. It delivers 70 air watts of suction in standard mode and jumps to 180 air watts in max mode. The LED lights help you spot dust in those sneaky corners, and the 2-in-1 crevice tool makes detailed cleaning very easy. With up to 50 minutes of runtime and a feather lightweight of just 3.2 pounds, it's perfect for small apartments or as a secondary cleaner. Sure, you won't find advanced features like self-emptying bins here, but its performance is hard to beat for the money. Tineco Pure One S11. Stepping it up is the Tineco Pure One S11. It brings a taste of premium tech for just $300. This vacuum doesn't just clean, it thinks. Thanks to its iLoop smart sensor, the S11 automatically adjusts suction based on how dirty the floor is, stretching battery life and saving you effort. It has 450 watts of suction power and uses a HEPA filter to keep fine dust and allergens trapped. LED headlights up front reveal dirt you'd otherwise miss. And you get 3 extra attachments for everything from sofas to car seats. The 40-minute battery life is solid for medium-sized homes, and the anti-tangle brush roll is a great feature for pet owners tired of fighting hair-wrapped rollers. If you're balancing cost and smart tech, the S11 is a sweet spot. Shark PowerDetect. Now, if you live in a bigger home, the Shark PowerDetect is designed with you in mind. Coming in at $500, it offers a massive 70-minute battery life, easily covering large spaces in one go. But what sets it apart is the self-emptying base. It can hold up to 40 days of dirt, which means no constant emptying after every session. The multi-flex articulating arm helps you reach under sofas and low tables, while the edge detection tech boosts suction along walls and corners for a thorough clean. It even has built-in lights to illuminate dirt as you go. Sure, it's a bit heavier at 18 pounds, but when you weigh that against the convenience, it's a trade-off many will happily make. Samsung Jet 90. Moving away from the Shark PowerDetect, let's turn to the Samsung Jet 90, a great mid-high range vacuum priced at $600. If you have thick carpets, this is where it comes in handy. Tests show it picks up 98% of mild piled sand, which is impressive. With 200 air watts suction power and HEPA filtration, it's perfect for allergy-prone households. It's lightweight at just 6.2 pounds, and its slim, modern design makes maneuvering around the house almost effortless. Plus, with tools like a crevice nozzle and pet hairbrush included, it's versatile enough for all your cleaning needs. You also get a digital display showing battery life and maintenance alerts, so no guesswork needed. While the 40-minute runtime may not seem huge, it's more than enough for most homes. Miele Duoflex HX1. Sliding into the top 3, the Miele Duoflex HX1, which boasts Miele's signature high-end build quality and reliability, the automatic power adjustment is one of its most practical features, switching suction strength depending on the surface. Carpets, tiles, hardwood, it doesn't matter. It will get the job done. The speed lock feature allows lightning-fast switching between stick and handled modes, perfect for quick jobs like car interiors or couch cushions. With a 55-minute battery life and a suite of attachments, the HX1 offers long-term performance that justifies the $599 price tag. Dyson V15 Detect. Near the top, but not quite number 1, is the ever-popular Dyson V15 Detect, priced at $750. Dyson didn't hold back with this one. It features a powerful 230 air-watt motor and their signature laser slim fluffy head, which literally reveals hidden dust on hard floors using a green laser. The piezo sensor continuously counts and measures dust particles, automatically adjusting suction power based on what it finds. It's basically like giving your floors a scientific inspection every time you clean. It picks up 88% of sand on mid-pile carpets and 95% on low-pile surfaces. Battery life clocks in at up to 60 minutes, and the real-time digital dirt level display is genuinely useful. With 7 attachments included, it's a dream tool for serious cleaners. Just switch the attachment and it's ready to go to all the hard-to-reach places. While it's pricey, the 715 Detect's features and performance feel like money well spent. LG CordZero A949. And finally, claiming the crown for 2025 is the LG CordZero A949, also priced at $750. This cordless vacuum outmuscles even the Dyson with a whopping 265 air watt suction strength. But it's not just about raw power. The CordZero A949 comes with a self-emptying base station that handles the messy part for you, and the Power Mop Pro attachment allows for mopping and vacuuming in one pass. Its battery setup is just as impressive. Using 2 swappable batteries, you can clean for up to 200 minutes total. That's more than triple what most competitors offer. The dual-floor max nozzle handles both carpet and hardwood like a champ, and an LED light on the head ensures no dirt escapes your notice. The CordZero even stands on its own, meaning no awkward leaning or wall mounts are needed. With extras like a crevice tool, power mini nozzle, and adjustable wand, it's the most versatile and convenient cordless vacuum you can get your hands on this year. So there you have it. No matter your budget, lifestyle, or home size, this roundup includes some incredible cordless vacuum options to help you decide. Which one's going to transform your cleaning routine? Let's hear your pick in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.